Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. Is your lady Estina. Guys, it's been long, it's been a bit long. I just missed our class. I'm back. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. It still remains your lady Estina. Guys, in today's episode, we are really going to touch Igbo names and their meaning. Igbo names and their meaning. Will you love to know Igbo names and their meaning? Guys, I got your back here. Some, not all, because Igbo names are many and they are Igbo names are so lovely. And guys, let me tell you what thing you will be expecting in Igbo name. Igbos, they love God so much. God, Chi, which means gods, and Chukwu, the same God also. So be expecting that in most of Igbo names. There is I have never seen any family in Igbo that you will go and you never hear Chi or Chukwu, Chi or Chukwu, Chi or Chukwu. So Chinyere, Chinenye, Chisom, Ngozi, Amarachi, Chikasema, Makochi, Kosiso. These are Igbo names and more. Be care to know their meaning. Stay tuned. I got your back here, fully well detailed and explained. Can you be there? Let's begin. Guys, I will be looking down. I'll be looking to my phone because I have to jot them down here. There are many, but because of time, we're just going to touch few. And I got some here. Okay. The first one I have here is Chisom. Chisom. That God is following me. The God follows me, or the God is following me. Chika. Chika. Chika means that the God is the highest. That's Chika. Chimoka. For us, kind of Chimoka or Chika. They simply say Chika. That means my God is just the highest. Okay. Ije Oma. Ije Oma simply means safe journey. Safe journey. Have a smooth journey. Ije Oma. Ihu Ako. Ihu Ako. Woo. Ihu Ako simply means the face of wealth. The face of wealth. Ihu Ako. Ihu Ako. Kosi Sochukwu. Kosi Sochukwu. Kosi. So. So simply means how the will of God or the wish of God. Kosi Sochukwu. The wish of God. Let the wish of God be done. And we'll have again. Chinyere. Chinyere. That's my name. That's my only name. Chinyere or Chinenye. They are similar thing. Chinyere. God's gift. Chinenye. That God is giving. Okay? Chinyere is God's gift already. The gift already. Then Chi na enye. That means God's giving. That God is the one giving. Okay? It's just similar, but they name it that way. Next is Chikamso. Chikamso is God I'm following. Onye kiso. Ọkwa Chikamso we mmeri. Ọkwa Chikamso nazu we mmeri. That's Igbo name for you. They have it in all songs, almost a song. But don't mind this voice. Okay. Again, we have Chikasimma. Chikasimma. That's my girl's name. I love this name so much. Chikasimma. And my God is just the most beautiful. My God is the most beautiful. Chikasimma. Rapuruchuku. Rapuruchuku. Leave it for God. Leave it for God. Leave it for God. Rapuruchuku. Olu Ebube. Olu Ebube. Olu Ebube simply means God's work. or Oluebube means miracle. Yeah, Oluebube means simply miracle. It's not gospel. Miracle. Miracle Oluebube. Are you loving those names? Are you pregnant now, or are you looking for a baby girl's name or a boy's name? Guys, get one here. They are all lovely and beautiful meaning. Let me see. Then Ulo Ako. Ooh, Ulo Ako. Ulo Ako simply means house of wealth. House of wealth. Guys, Igbo, they can name, eh? Yeah, let's keep going, guys. I'm loving it. Then Zimuzo. Zimuzo Chi or Chizimuzo. Chizimuzo. Some call it Zimuzo. That's in short form Zim or Zimuzo Chi. Zimuzo Chi simply means God show me the way. God lead me or God show me the way. Then Nzubechukwu. Nzubechukwu. Nzubechukwu simply means the will of God or the thought of God for me. The thought of God for me. Guys, you can see that you hardly see an Igbo name that don't have anything concerning Chi, Chukwu, and so on. You hardly. Then Chimalume. 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 God knows how to do it. He knows how to do it. He knows how to do it. Anaghị yor. Ọ malume. Ọ ma ka esi eme ihe na ọ malụ ka bịa anyị. So God knows how to do it. He surely knows how to do it. Chidimma. 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 My God is beautiful. Chidimma. My God is beautiful. Ikechukwu. Ikechukwu. God's strength. God's strength. Ikechukwu. That's man's name. Ebuka Mob. Chukwu Ebuka. And my God is big. He's a big. Have a very big God. Oh, how big is your God? So, Ebuka. Chukwu Ebuka. Or Ebuka. Simply some people name Ebuka. Angole or Angore means happiness. 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 Angore. Angore or Angole. It depends on your intonation and dialect. Some people call it Angole or Angore. They are the same. Chiagozie. 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 God have blessed me. That's good. Chi azakam. Chi azakam. More chi azokam. Chi azakam means God have. Chi azakam means that God answered my prayer. That azakam, that he answered my prayer already. Well, and Chi azokam means God has saved me already. Chi azokam. Chi azakam na Chi azokam. I say Chi bike mobu Chi bife. God is my strength and God is my light. God is my light. God is light. God is light. Chi bife na Chi bu ike. God is my strength. Chidera. Oh, they're gonna What is written is written. That's simply what it means. What is written is written. Nobody can do anything about it. Chichetaram. Chichetaram. God have remembered me. Oh, he have really indeed remembered me. Did he? Chidebere. Chidebere. God is merciful. Our God is a merciful God. He's a merciful God. Ego amaka. Ego amaka. Ego amaka. Money is good. Money is good. Igbos, they name it. Money is good. It's good indeed. Money is good. Gini kachuko. What is bigger than God? What is bigger than God? Nothing. Nothing is bigger than God. Ifechukwu, God's light. Ifeyinwa. Ifeyinwa, this is old name, but guys, it means nothing. Nothing is compared to a child. Nothing on this earth is compared to a child. Ifeyinwa. Nothing is compared to a child. Jachima. Jachima, praise God. Praise God. Lebechi, look unto God. Look unto God. Kosi Sochuku. Kosi Sochuku. The will of God. Lotachi. Lotachi. Remember God. Remember God. Makochuku. Embrace God. Embrace God. Makochuku. Masichi. Masichi. Masichi is the will of God. The will of God. Muna chimso. Muna chimso. I am with my God. I am with my God. Nkem jika. The one I have is just the best. The one I have is the best. It's just the best. Nkiroka. Kiroka. What is in the future is just the best. What is in the future? We hope that what is coming is just the best, and that's going to be the best, and it will remain the best for us. Okay? Nwaduto. Nwaduto. Child is sweet. Ah, mmeme. Nwa na-atọ. Nwa dị ụtọ. That simply means child is sweet. Obioma. Obioma, that means good heart. Good heart. Ogochukwu. Ogochukwu. God's mercy. God's mercy. Guys, there are many of them, but guys, we got to end it here. Did this video just on a demand. One of our YouTube demanded for this, and yeah, I hope I gave you what you really want. And did you get the names that you want to hear the meaning in English? Or do you know anyone more? Let's just share them in the comment section. There are many of them. Let's just make it known. If you know anyone that I did not mention here, share it on the comment section. Someone who may be looking for a beautiful Igbo name can come there, and you give the person exactly what it means. You can just simply say it in Igbo and say the meaning in English. Or if you don't know it, you can just simply say, can you tell me the meaning of this? So I will drop it also on the comment section, responding on it, so that anyone searching for it, it will be so easy for the person. Okay, my lovely people, we're gonna end it here. Thank you for being part of today's episode. I so much appreciate you guys. This is always there for you, my returning subscribers, always coming back to watch me, and sharing the video. Do something to keep this channel going. I love you guys. Bye-bye.